Morning everybody. How are you all feeling in the new class of class 9? Happy na? Now let's enjoy more. Before starting our class, I want to give one information. You're having science this year in class 9 in 3 different subjects. That is physics, chemistry and biology. Physics and chemistry I'll be teaching and biology another teacher will be teaching you. Okay. Now back to our lesson class. What can you see, children, in the surrounding? You can see desk, benches. More what you can see? You can see outside things, fan. You can see this book, your book of chemistry. You can see this, your bottle filled with water. This is water. And all over the space, yes, you're right, that is air. So what did you tell me? Book, water and air. Can you give me one single term for all these things? Whatever you can see here and there? Yes, you're correct. That is matter. Now, what is matter? This is book. Is this book having mass? Yes. This book, let us take it as it is 50 grams. So, book is having mass 50 grams. Water, it is 250 ml. And air, if you fill it in cylinder, you can even measure that. So now, you know that all these things are having mass. They are occupying space. This book is occupying space in my hand. Water is occupying space in this bottle. Everything occupies space. So, what is matter? Anything which occupies space and has mass. Is called matter. What is it? Anything which occupies space and has mass is called matter. So now we are coming to our chapter, that is matter in our surrounding. Our chapter is matter in our surrounding. This is our first chapter. Now, whatever you can see in the surrounding, anything, it be living, it be non-living. Plants, human beings, you yourself, book, stone, whatever you see, everything, it has life or it doesn't have life. Everything is matter. Now you got the definition of matter. Anything which occupies space and has mass is called matter. Now matter can be classified into two based on its properties. Based on the properties, matter can be classified into two, that is physical classification as well as classification and chemical classification. Now, physical classification, we have to study only physical classification for this chapter. Chemical classification is for the next chapter and we'll see about it later. Physical classification will be seen in this class. Physically, how can we classify it? It is difference seven states of matter. You know that. It is solid, liquid and gases. Okay. Now further, before studying about solid, liquid and gases, let us see the physical nature about matter. Let us perform an experiment for that. Physical nature of matter. Physical nature of matter. Okay. Now let us perform an activity for that. What is this, children? In the before this, I told you, what is it? It is water. You can see water here. Our material required are water, glass. Here we can see salt. So what we need to do is first take a 100 ml beaker. In this, fill half the glass with water. So you can see it is half glass of water. The next, we can put some salt. This is one substance, that is one substance or one it is liquid. Another substance, that is another matter, salt, which I have put in it. You can see the salt down in the bottom. This is water and this is salt below. What we are going to do is we are going to mix this. Let us stir it and mix it. Now what can you see? Transparent water. Can you see anything at the bottom? Nothing is there in the bottom now. You cannot see anything in the bottom after mixing it. What has happened? According to you, what has happened? It has dissolved. It has dissolved. It means salt has dissolved into water. Salt has dissolved into water. Now what does it exactly means? It means that the water is made up of particles. Salt, you can see small particles of salt, pieces of salt, small particles of salt. Now this salt has gone into the spaces of water. You could see it clearly that the particles were mixing it in this way. Here, this is your beaker, your water is present, and what happened? Here we had salt. This salt got mixed up in the particles of water. Here everywhere it got mixed up. This shows that matter is made up of particles. Any matter, it is made up of particles. This is the conclusion of this activity. Now, after this, we will be taking new topic in the next class.